तो जब से जो सबसे जो ख़राब स्थिति हो सकती है वो किसी इंसान के लिए वो है कि हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट उसके लिए करना पड़े। तो आज की डेट में हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट कितना सक्सेसफुल है? क्या हमारे लिए डोनर अवेलेबल हैं? इसके बारे में थोड़ा बताइए।
This is a terminal heart disease
यस,
when nothing else can be done.
यस,
And that ये जो हार्ट का जो पंपिंग एक्शन जो होता है ना, इसको हम इजेक्शन फ्रैक्शन बोलते
राइट,
हैं। नॉर्मली ये 60 से 70 के बीच में होता है एंड जनरली द इजेक्शन फ्रैक्शन मोस्ट ऑफ द पीपल will be in the range of 55 to 65. When the ejection fraction drops below 20%, then the heart is not able to contract very well. If it's not able to contract very well, it is not able to pump the fluid into the chambers. तो fluid accumulation हो जाता है, बॉडी में एडिमा हो जाता है,
जी,
स्वेलिंग हो जाती है,
जी,
लंग्स में भर जाता है। तो उस सिचुएशन में हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांट करना पड़ता है। Heart transplant, everybody has got only one heart, and you cannot give a heart again and again. Poetically, yes, but in the real terms, you can't. So you have to wait for somebody to be
die.
brain dead so that you can remove his heart.
Yeah.
Otherwise, it is totally unethical to take out anybody's heart. Even if he says, "Mera heart le lo," you can't take it. That will be a crime. So you have to wait for brain dead. Brain dead, we used to have a lot of motorcycle accidents, and they used to be the donors from whom we used to take the heart and put it in a person who is having a failing heart. Nowadays, with increase in helmets and increase in traffic control, road accidents are little less. So donors are also little less. But so there are other substitutes, like we have assist devices, like they are bridges. Till you get a heart, you can support the heart with an assist device. But assist device, again, for an Indian patient who is not insured, it costs almost 1 crore, and that everybody cannot afford.
जी,
So I think this is slightly beyond the aim of educating people, where I think we should say that heart transplant तो तब करना चाहिए when you have not been able to control your heart by all these other methods which I suggested,
right.
which includes medicines, which includes stenting, which includes surgery. Then only we should go for
लेकिन
heart.
हार्ट ट्रांसप्लांटेशन में क्या वो दिक्कत नहीं आती है टिश्यू मैच की एमएचसी जहाँ पे हम लोग एचएलए टाइपिंग वगैरह करते हैं वहाँ भी इशू आता होगा कि हार्ट रिजेक्ट हो गया, ट्रांसप्लांट भी किया गया और रिजेक्ट हो गया, ऐसा भी होता होगा?
कम होते हैं. There are anti rejection methods which are available. They are all immunosuppressed. We have to suppress their immunity, or to जो immunity rejection is a feature of the immune reaction of the body. तो उसको suppress करके रखते हैं, immunosuppressants. The disadvantage of using immunosuppression is not only it suppresses the protein of the heart, it also suppresses your body's capacity to fight infection.
Right.
So they get more infections. So that is why the patients who have heart transplant, they have some kind of a guarded life they should have. They cannot be subject to their normal life. But after a certain period of time, the immunosuppressant dose is less. Initially थोड़ा ज़्यादा देना पड़ता है, but over a period of time
धीरे धीरे बॉडी एक्सेप्ट करने लगती है,
accept कर जाता है. Generally the rejection occurs within a year or 2, 1.5 years. उसके बाद में rejection नहीं होता है.
जी.